go, Heath. Oh, there they go. The playing begins. Chrissy is this. I can't even catch up with her. The little Italian Greyhound. She's the instigator. Watch her. She's gonna run around the yard, stirring everybody up. God. A little Chihuahua. These are all my sheets for all the plants. It didn't help. Everything is dead anyway. Oh my goodness, she ran. Okay, I accidentally left my water hose in the RV and it made a lake. Come on over here. Get out of that water. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to have to stop and take a picture of these guys later. So, and here's Heath. Heath. Hi, Heath. Hello, Heath. Oh. Yeah, and there's a Snix. She's a talker. She goes, woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. There's Heath. Okay, I have to get the water fixed. Bye.